Hey there guys, let's make this amazing design in Canva. So what we're going to do is open up a poster in Canva. Next we'll be going to upload a road image and then a car image in Canva. Next what we'll be doing next is that we're going to add a heading in which we're going to write the main title that you want to give that typography design to. We're going to use the nice like font which is both bold and bold like this, and we're gonna go to effects and give it lift effect and send it to the back and duplicate it and put it into the front, and we're gonna give it this outline design and decrease the size of its outline. Next, what we'll be doing is select this text and group it if you want, but that will ruin the typography design, and this way we can move the text on all sides to give it this design. Make sure to like